Okay, welcome to part 6. So I think now I'm being a little risky here. I think I got it. The all of the remedy I had basically was just making sure that I got rid of a couple of typos in the code, and I changed the password so that we don't have to so I don't have to like worry about showing you guys my password. And I had to grant all privileges also to my new test user. So we're gonna go back to here. I've got this running. It says it's running on that port 3000. Is that right? Okay, there's our dashboard. There's no index.html. Why is it giving us that? It's a funny question. Maybe this has to go over here and I have to restart. Yeah, see, it tells you your error here. So let's exit. I don't know if that'll do it. Exit. And we'll rerun it. We have to change our port over here, port 3001. Okay, so that works, and let's be sure that I did the rest of this properly. That looks all right. Need to replace host and user and password, etc. Oh wow, okay, that cut off. I didn't even realize it. Let's see. Let's go back over here. And actually, you know what I need to know is I need to know user 1, password 1. User 1, password 1. User 1, password 1. Does this, I'm going to do password 1, 2. Invalid. Now let's see if this is valid. Unreal. So now we have a basic login infrastructure here. How great is that? So logging in it now works. Although I do wonder. Yeah, see, that's just been obfuscated. Okay, so here's what we have to do now. I'm gonna say, okay, the login system works. However, I can still get to dashboard.html by navigating directly even when not logged in. How do I protect those pages and require login to access? It's a middleware to your app.js file that checks if the user is authenticated before surfing the page. Fantastic. In this example, required auth function. Okay, so let's copy from here on down. Oh, there's more. But wait, there's more. In this example, we're defining a require auth middleware function that checks if the user is authenticated by looking at the authenticated flag in the section. If the user is authenticated, the request is allowed to proceed by calling next function. If the user is not authenticated, the middleware redirects user to the login page. We're also modifying the get dashboard.html route to use require auth middleware, which means that the middleware will be called before serving this page. If the user is not authenticated, the middleware will redirect the user to the login page instead of serving the dashboard page. Note the use of req.sessionObject. You'll need to install and configure Express Session middleware in your app. You can do this by running npm install Express Session and adding the following code to your app.js. Hold on. So what we're going to do here, that's now updated, saving that. And then it says we have to also add this here to the bottom, I guess. And then we're going to have to run npm install this. And what I'm also going to do, let's change this up here, put that on another port. Express session. All right, and then we'll rerun this, and then keep this open, and we will maybe try to go here. That's not going to work because that's wrong. Okay, that's still not even in an incognito window, it still seems to be. Keep messing that up. Okay, I'm gonna log out. Now I get this. Cannot set properties of undefined setting. Oh, you know what happened is I totally goofed. Did I goof though? No, I don't think I goofed there. Alright, here's the full app.js. Oh, see, Express Session. Right? Was this not in there? So you really have to, it's not. I mean, does this work? I'll probably just have to recopy this out again, but. CSS, it's, or whatever it is, it's just not validating, right? Okay, so go all the way back through here. Actually, what we're gonna do. Maybe that's a little easier. Okay. Secret key. Where does it say secret key? Wait a second. How do I get secret key? I don't even know what that is. You should replace this with a string that's unique and difficult to guess. Okay, give me an example of your secret key. Well, this is just for testing, so I don't really care if it's super good, but then again, it's like you know, might as well, right? Where's my secret key going? Const crypto equals require crypto const secret key, and then we'll just use this secret key, right? Is that the way that works? And we'll go back through here. And we'll change this to like 4. Getting good at these similar problems. Huh. Oh, why does it say root? That ain't right. John P. Ha! So it's freaking. You got to be careful when you upload some of these. Okay. And can we go straight to dashboard now? Maybe I'm still authenticated or something. Hmm. Close them. Maybe there's another incognito window open somewhere. I don't. Completely close and open this one, maybe? And then, yeah, and go over here. Go to a different one. Go here. You know, go to, no? Try clearing your browser cache cookies and trying again. I'm going to keep troubleshooting this. Check back on the next one.